Spelling Detective Challenge. I'm going to show you two words, kitten and napkin. Both words are easy to read, but have you ever wondered why we break them into syllables as kit, tin, nap, kin, and not ki, tin, na, kin? There's actually a simple rule behind it. And once you understand this rule, you'll find it much easier to break words into syllables correctly, which can improve both your spelling and pronunciation. Let's learn how it works. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English with Chimezie. In today's lesson, we'll be learning the second rule for breaking words into syllables. Let's dive right in. Rule 2. Split between two middle consonants. Before I explain this rule, you need to understand that consonants are all other letters of the English alphabet apart from the vowels A, E, I, O, and U. When two or more consonants come between two vowels, we usually divide the word between the consonants. This simply means you go in between two consonants and split the word. This rule helps us break words into smaller and easier parts, making pronunciation and spelling much simpler. By separating the consonants, we can clearly hear the syllables in the word. Examples: napkin, napkin. Consonants PK are together, so we split in between them. PK. Kitten, kitten. Consonants TT are together, so we split in between them. TT. The next is basket, basket. Consonants SK are together, so we split in between them. SK. Lastly, we have hunter, hunter. Consonants NT are together, so we split in between them. NT. Each of these words has two syllables. Notice how the word is divided between the middle consonants, and notice a vowel in bold on either side of the two consonants before and after the split. Nap, kin, kit, tin, basket, hunter. Let's take a look at a word with four syllables. Example: accommodate, ac, com, more, date. Consonants CC and MM are together, so we split in between them. C, C, and M, M. Learning this rule will help you read unfamiliar words more confidently and improve your spelling accuracy. Thank you for watching this lesson. Before you leave, I have a syllable detective challenge for you. Can you correctly break these words into syllables? Rabbit, window, magnet. Write your answers in the comments before reading anyone else's answer. Bonus challenge. Can you find a word that contains two different places where this rule can be used? Type the word in the comments and show how you would split it into syllables. I'll be checking the comments and replying to as many answers as possible. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with another English learner, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss Rule 3. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning English the smart and easy way, one syllable at a time.